Bad news, we no longer have a glass elevator in this spot. Good news, we got a Schindler 3300, bet by GL Fixtures. That's a weird sounding bell. Blah, blah, blah. I do not want to get a copyright, even though it's holiday season music. Okay. This is the front elevator at the block Northway, aka Northway Mall. This cab though is pretty nice. You get a cab view of this. One more ride on this. It's probably my second or third actual Schindler 3300 I actually rode. That's the main entrance. Okay, let's go up to end the video on the upper level. The mezzanine no longer exists. That chime though. Okay. That's it.